What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to this story. I will show you that probably we missed some opportunities, but not exactly us, but some person who was able to probably solve some problems, or at least who was able to find out some necessary information from authorities. So, and before we jump into the first news, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I also highly recommend you to drop me a line, because there are not so many people who cover this topic right now, and that's why it is extremely difficult to find out the information, and it is extremely difficult to know what is the real gem and what should be dismissed from our case. And that's why it is very important for me to know that my work is useful for the community, and that's why please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. So let's start with the first news. Richard Hoffman, the person who filed a lawsuit against Fidelity, added an update, and 9 hours ago, basically not 9 hours ago, but on February 23rd, he published this MMTLP litigation update, February 23rd, 2023, and he published this video, and this video is 8 minutes long, and in this video he describes the situation, what is the latest update directly related to this lawsuit, and in this video he doesn't show any strategy or any particular results of this litigation. He just show the options of what we might expect and when will it happen. So I will put the link on this video and you can find it in the description below in order to watch this video by yourself. And let me remind you that all the lawsuits and all the litigations are extremely long processes. That's why we have to be very patient. And Roger James Hamilton also published this tweet 16 hours ago. Patient isn't always easy, but it's necessary. And he published this picture. To lose patience is to lose the battle, Mahatma Gandhi. And in my opinion, it is extremely important to wait, because we have at least 2 lawsuits that were filed recently, and we have to wait the results from these lawsuits. On top of that, we are investigating and we are trying to do our best in order to solve this problem. And let me show you that for now we don't have any updates from Rosa Tawil's lawsuit. She didn't post any tweets related to this saga, but let me show you this. On a Reddit thread related to MMTLP, we can find this topic, and it's titled "Another broker, this time RBCDI, confirming May 11th restriction release is a real thing. Any others?" And let me show you this letter in details. So, first of all, the original letter was written on February 17th, and it says, "I have MMTLP shares, now next bridge hydrocarbons. I still don't believe my contract SIP you have assigned really represents shares set aside for me in a street name, but that's your future problem to fix. Can you confirm the restrictions on these shares will be released on May 11th, 2023 as per other investment firms' information? If you don't know, please check. I also have to assume this will be position close only at that time." And the answer is following. "Hello, my name is Mariam and I'll help you with your inquiry. Based on the information provided to us thus far by the company, the restriction is until May 11th, 2023. At this point, we do not have any further information provided to us by the company itself with regards to the restriction." And a lot of people might think that on May 11th we might see 2-day trading for MMTLP share, but I have a lot of doubts about that. First of all, MMTLP share does not exist anymore, and we can see this information, we can find this information on official FINRA website. This filing was made on December 13, so-called on December 13, because this filing added to this list retrospectively, and it was backdated, and it was another evidence that FINRA performs some kind of illegal activity. But it is what it is. At this moment, MMTLP share does not exist anymore, and that's why we cannot expect the resuming of trading this asset, and that's why it is not the case. On top of that, in my opinion, we cannot assume that NX Bridge hydrocarbons also will be tradable, because it is a private company that should not be tradable by any means. And that's why it is a question mark, a huge massive question mark. What is this restriction? And definitely we have to find out this information, and I'll do my best in order to make a research to know what is this restriction about. So let me give you another information. We don't have any recent tweets related to MMTLP on official FINRA account, but they publish several tweets from time to time, and none of these tweets related to MMTLP saga. But if you dig deeper in this thread, you can find that there is a lot of comments directly related to MMTLP fraud. And in my opinion, they all know about the current situation, about the fraudulent activity, and about the crime that happened to retail community. But they don't want to answer, and probably they wait until the wave, the tsunami wave of our anger becomes lower. And in this case, they can put aside this entire case. And in my opinion, we shouldn't allow them to do so, and that's why please share this video with as many people as you can. So let me show you that right now the potential fraud in the market directly related to MMTLP company only is more than $32 billion. And this screenshot made from MMTLP Reddit thread, and it is an estimation of potential losses directly related to the MMTLP case. And in my opinion, it is just an estimation, and nobody knows what is this real number right now. So let me show you further. Pro Street Art made an amazing job, and he discovers the QCIP numbers that was assigned with the Next Bridge hydrocarbon stock on different broker dealers. But let me show you that he thinks that it is a fake QCIP numbers, and I don't think so. And first of all, let me show you this comment. Unlisted stocks like Next Bridge are not assigned an official QCIP number, which is why different brokerages have different numbers listed. These numbers are how these brokerages identify and keep track of your unlisted stocks. This is not proof that our shares are fake. And let me show you that I asked ChatGPT about the dummy QCIP, and he answered. A dummy QCIP is a placeholder QCIP number that is sometimes used in financial systems or transactions when a QCIP number is not yet available or needed. Dummy QCIPs are typically temporary placeholders that are later replaced with the actual QCIP number once it is assigned. They are often used during the initial stages of an investment or trade when the security is being issued or created, and the actual QCIP number has not yet been assigned. So, because of this information, I have a lot of doubts that these numbers are fake, these QCIP numbers are fake. But the main question is why different broker dealers have the same QCIP number, how they negotiated about this number. So, as you can see, 7 broker dealers have this QCIP number, another 7 have this one, 4 have the QCIP number that starts with 8, 2 have a QCIP number which starts with 9, and so on and so forth. And it is extremely interesting, and it is extremely suspicious why they have these numbers. And his main assumption is that they can cover their shorts inside this group with this QCIP number. But in my opinion, it is not the case, and I honestly don't know what is the real case about these numbers at this moment. But I will also try to find out this information. So, and let me show you that we probably missed some opportunity. First of all, let me show you that Dave Lower recently had an opportunity to ask Gary Gensler any questions that he wants in this Q&A session. We, the investors, Q&A with SEC Chair Gary Gensler. And during the entire interview, he didn't ask about the MMTLP saga, but he's supposed to do so. And he added later these tweets, and he said, "I don't think I was clear enough yesterday about MMTLP. I think that FINRA has really screwed up this entire situation, and the lack of transparency has been egregious. Individual investors were misled into thinking trading would take place. This is not okay." And he also added, "I think that FINRA needs to come out and be radically transparent. They need to explain exactly what happened and what the full share count or audit shows, even if under investigation. If the books are reconciled, that needs to be shown. If they are not, then it needs to happen. This is a terrible situation and people have been hurt. I will do everything I can to push FINRA to figure this out and make it right, either through transparency or action." My thanks to Free Commercials for helping me understand this situation better. And definitely he had this opportunity to ask Gary Gensler directly, but he didn't use this opportunity. And this means we lose this opportunity to receive probably the clear answer directly related to this situation. And this is really frustrating. So, I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay